Guys, I'm going to be doing a bike check on my bike. Okay, so what I'm currently riding is I got my ODI pink grips, screw-in bar ends, those are stock Tetra lever, Odyssey linear slick cable cut long, new bars from today actually. They're dynos. I've had them for a while and I recently found them. Sanded them down and spray painted them blue. They were chrome before. And then I got stock Eastern headset and wait, no, not headset, I mean stem. Stock headset, stock forks, and then I have a ZAC 30 black front rim, and then I got the Eastern Lowdown 09 frame sticker. I got the DK pivotal seat and seat post. Two-piece cranks, Odyssey twisted pedals, plastic, Mosh 28 tooth sprocket with chain guard, stock brake pads. I don't even know what they are. Doesn't matter though, I don't really care. I got 9 in the back, hollow axle, and then I had pegs on them, the plastic peg things. I took them off. I don't know, I just didn't want to deal with them anymore in my way. And then I have a BM25 back rim, and it's chrome if you can't tell. And then I don't know anything about rims, so it's probably double or single, it looks like. I have no idea. Yeah. Oh, and stock tires, they're both that kind of tread, and the same in the front. So, that's my bike.